that at the front door.
And Daisy's enthusiastic greeting kind of flipped her out at first.
Yeah, Daisy with
she went
dogs
straight
on
for
the
her
lead.
butt.
Yeah.
I uploaded it to YouTube. I'll put it on Facebook.
Yeah, I'm putting it on Facebook now. One I have. I guess I should tag Nikki on it.
Hey, I thought you were hungry.
I'm starving, but this is awesome.
Bring her over this weekend.
Yeah.
We're going to be in Houston. Well, we're going to do the adoption day Saturday in the afternoon. This is so cute. I'm hoping this is what she does with Annie. Because Cammy doesn't really like to play with her.
I didn't touch it.
Ooh.
There it is.
They're funny.
Oh, I think I got your, this is fucking awesome. You're wearing me out. I think the first thing you said was, oh, this is fucking awesome. You posted it on Facebook.
I said flippin' awesome.
Flippin'? Okay, good.
I did say flippin'.
Okay.
I kind of want to play with the puppy without Daisy in the way.
That was the old, it was new.